In my first business that I started with $4,000, I had mega clients like the Rolling Stones, the WWE, and the NFL. People always wanted to know what the magic trick was to making that happen. In this video, I'm gonna go through exactly that, and it's more achievable than you think. After helping thousands of business people for free that were about to lose their company, I see the same thing over and over again, and it was one of the few mistakes I didn't make early on in my business. Number one, have a decent website, and I don't mean go out there and spend 50 grand on it. Just make it something that's easy to navigate. This should cost under $1,000, or these days you can do it yourself. And the biggest thing here is make it really easy to follow exactly what you do, exactly how to connect with you, what exact services you offer, and the areas you offer them to. Then you want to link this to both your Bing and your Google profiles. Google now makes this insanely easy, and they even allow you to connect your social media accounts to it. So many people out there don't have the right address, don't have the right hours, and don't have even the right phone number posted. In fact, I guarantee most of you aren't even answering the phone. If I were to call 10 businesses right now, 9 of them would not answer. Be the one that does, and you will get the work. So how do you get huge clients like the Rolling Stones, the WWE, the NFL, and more? The answer is the website that's easy to navigate, a phone number that exactly connects to you. And in my case, I was willing to answer the phone at 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning. This led to our first mega client. Doing the work for that first mega client allowed us to take pictures of that mega client's work. Then we posted it on our social medias. Now, the next time a mega client came into our system, they now saw that we worked with other big clients. And the cascading effect happens from there. So it's simple as being easy to connect to and then pushing into your marketing the things that you want to be known for and the type of work you want to have. I knew that any moment in that company, if I purchased a certain product into our marketing, I got that product in return for sales. Don't underestimate this, especially in this day and age, and especially when Google's allowing you to connect your social media accounts to your Google profile. I hate to act like your mom here, but this is where you need to clean your room. On Google, on Apple Maps, on Bing, you want to make sure you have the right address, the right phone number, and the right website. In all your social media accounts, you want to have the same name. This is especially important because AI now looks at that as thumbprinting. And you as the founder, if you're going to represent your company, you need to have the same title every single time in the same way. The amount of cascading effect these couple things do, I promise you, will make more of a difference in your business than studying your CAC costs or any other crazy term you're hearing on the internet right now. This is simple, but I guarantee it'll make the difference in your business. Go out today, look through your stuff, and comment below of something that you missed in your website or social presence. See you in the next video.